all you need to know about making money online. There are many benefits to making money online. You can stay in your pajamas as the cash flows in, you don't have to spend money on gas or food, and you can spend more time with loved ones. But, there are some things you need to know first. Read about important tips on making money online here. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Make yourself a daily schedule. Your commitment to continuous work will determine whether your online income is sustainable. You won't get rich overnight. You have to work daily. Figure out when and how you are going to work each day. Even an hour a day can make a big difference over time. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. In conclusion, there are many perks to making money online. After all, who wouldn't want to sit on the sofa or lay in bed while making money? Now that you have watched this video, you have a better idea of what it takes to make money online. Use these tips to your advantage. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.